Yesterday, I invested $300 using an AI trading bot I built. Today, I'm already in profit, but here's the crazy part: the AI made every single trading decision. If you watch my previous videos, you know I built a Capital.com MCP server. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a bridge that lets Claude talk to external services. But now I have polished everything and published it to PyPy, which means you can now make actual trades seamlessly. Let me show you exactly how this works. Before we dive in, let me quickly explain trading types. You have day trading, buying and selling within the same day, swing trading, holding positions for days or weeks to catch price swings, and position trading, long-term holds. Now let me show you my AI trading system in action. If you'd like to follow along, don't worry, I'll provide you detailed steps on how you can configure this later in the video. I've set up a stock investing project in Claude Desktop with detailed instructions. Now this prompt contains my trading preferences, as I am a swing trader focused on cryptocurrencies and tech stocks. The prompt includes risk management rules, for example, 1 to 2% risk per trade, position sizing based on stop loss and distance, and requires that stop loss and take profit levels are based on support and resistance levels from historical data. It also tells Claude about the Capital.com MCP tools available and requires automatic trade execution. With this setup, Claude can analyze markets and execute trades automatically. Now watch this. I'm going to give Claude a simple request. I want to make a quick profit using crypto. First, Claude checks my account balance. You can see I started with $300 and now I have $333. That's already $33 in profit in just 24 hours. Then it searches for multiple currencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, getting their historical prices and checking recent crypto news for market sentiment. Now, based on technical analysis and new sentiment, Claude provides a comprehensive swing trading strategy. It identifies fundamental drivers, support and resistance levels, calculates risk-reward ratios, and determines optimal entry points, stop loss, and take profit levels for each cryptocurrency. Now, Claude makes the decision to invest in Ethereum and Solana and automatically creates positions for both. You can see it's executing the trades with precise position sizing based on the risk management rules I set up. Let me show you the real proof. When I log in to my actual Capital.com account, you can see I have 3 active positions: Chainlink, Ethereum, and Solana, all executed by the AI. My equity shows $333. That's $33 in profit from my original $300 investment in just 24 hours. Now you're probably thinking, how do I set this up myself? It's actually simpler than you might think. Let me walk you through it step by step. First, you'll need a Capital.com account. I recommend starting with their demo account to practice. You'll also need Claude Desktop installed and 2 prerequisites: UV for package management and Python 3.10 or newer installed on your operating system. Next, you need to get your API credentials from Capital.com. Log in to your account, go to the API section and generate your API key. You'll need 4 pieces of information from there. Now here's the key part. Claude Desktop will automatically handle downloading and running the MCP server for you. You just need to tell it where to find it and provide your credentials. Open Claude Desktop, go to Settings, then Developer, and click Edit Config. Now save the configuration and restart Claude Desktop. The first time you start a chat, Claude will automatically download and install the MCP server using UEX package, which we already installed in the previous step. Let's test it if everything works. Check my Capital.com account balance. And here it goes. Claude successfully showing my account info. Before you start trading with real money, remember, always start with the demo account. Set strict risk limits, never risk more than you can afford to lose, and remember that past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Now this is just the beginning. I'm working on a new version of the MCP that will work directly with Claude AI's web interface. No desktop app needed. Just to clarify, there are three types of MCP connections. STDIO, which I'm currently using, SSC for server-sent events, which I'm currently implementing, and the upcoming streamable HTTP. Once the authentication flow is finalized, you'll be able to trade from anywhere. This is just a sneak peek of what it actually looks like. Right now, I'm struggling with the OAuth part, but once that is completed, I will share that with you all. If this helps you set up your own AI trading assistant, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. All the setup instructions and links are in the description below. Drop a comment with what stock you want me to trade next, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.